What are the implications of the COMPAS algorithm case? Imagine a tool used to decide whether someone stays in jail or goes free. Now, imagine that tool might be making unfair choices based on who they are. That's what happened with the COMPAS algorithm. It was meant to help courts assess risk, but it raised big questions about fairness and bias. COMPAS stands for Correctional Offender Management, profiling 4 alternative sanctions. It predicts if a person might commit another crime. But studies showed it often labeled black defendants as high risk more often than white defendants. Even when they did not reoffend, black individuals were nearly twice as likely to be marked high risk. This can lead to longer jail time or harsher sentences for black people, even if they are not more likely to reoffend. The algorithm also makes different types of errors depending on race. It tends to wrongly predict that black defendants will reoffend when they won't. This is called a false positive. For white defendants, it sometimes wrongly predicts they are low risk when they are not, called a false negative. These mistakes raise serious questions about fairness and whether the system treats everyone equally. Because of these biases, the COMPAS case shows how AI can unintentionally reinforce existing social inequalities. Instead of fixing problems, it can make them worse. This makes us think about whether AI tools are truly neutral or if they reflected the biases in the data they learn from. Another issue is transparency. The company that made COMPAS keeps its working secret. Courts and defendants cannot see exactly how risk scores are calculated. This lack of openness makes it hard to challenge or improve the system. It also questions whether we can trust AI decisions in important areas like justice. The COMPAS case reminds us that AI and machine learning systems need careful checks. They should be tested for bias and fairness. Developers and users must ask if these tools are helping or hurting society. It's not enough for AI to be smart, it must be fair and accountable. This case has led to efforts to create better risk assessment tools that are more transparent. It also highlights the importance of combining human judgment with AI recommendations. Policymakers and legal professionals need to understand how these systems work and their limits. In the end, the COMPAS case shows us that AI is powerful but not perfect. We must be careful to prevent it from perpetuating unfair treatment. Whether in criminal justice or other fields like language models or image generators, ethical use of AI is key. We need systems that are fair, transparent, and built with fairness in mind.